The displacement of a particle is given, x is equal to t plus sine t, and we have to find at what times during the period 0 to 3 pi, t 0 to 3 pi, is it stationary, the particle is stationary, and then at what times during the period 0 to 3 pi, t, is it moving at a constant velocity. So for the first part, let's just find the velocity first, because when the particle is stationary, that means the velocity is 0. So velocity v is dx over dt, which is 1 plus cos t if I differentiate this one. So when it is stationary, this one will be 0. So cos t is equal to negative 1. So that happens when pi is equal, t is equal to pi, because cos pi is the negative 1 within this interval, because t is less than 3 pi. So that's there. And then the second part is at what times during the period t 0 to 3 pi is it moving at a constant velocity. So when it moves at a constant velocity, the acceleration is 0. So what we should do, we should differentiate this again to find the acceleration, and then we should equate it to 0 to find those times. So a is dv over dt, and that is minus sine t. So minus sine t will be 0, that is sine t is 0, and in the range of t 0 to 3 pi, this happens when t is equal to pi and 2 pi. So these are the two times when the particle is moving at a constant velocity, or the acceleration is 0.